Today I'm going to show you some combos that you can do using the zero kicks that we've already learned. Let's check it out. I'm Anthony Medina and welcome to Upraiz Tricking. The channel's all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at sport. Today we'll be getting into the first set of combos that you'll be learning for level 1.4, as well as going over the pop transition for the first time. And before continuing this video, I recommend that you have your cheat zero hook. If you do not, you can click right there for that tutorial. A pop transition is any time you land with one leg followed by another leg and then take off with both feet at the same exact time. So a transition isn't really a trick itself, it's more of the movement that happens in between two tricks. So the first and most basic combo that we're going to be getting into today is a pop zero round to a pop zero round. So you're going to start off doing your pop zero round and landing in a frontside stance, and from there you're set up to do your second pop zero round, landing back down into a frontside stance. So there's really not much to this combo. Second combo is going to be a pop zero round to a pop zero hook. So you're going to do your pop zero round and follow through with your round kick to a backside stance. And from there you're set up to do your pop zero hook. The third combo is going to be a pop zero hook to a pop zero hook. And this one can be kind of tricky, honestly. So you're going to do your pop zero hook and land in a backside stance. Now when I do this, I find it a little bit easier to bring my kicking leg back to the center so my feet are close together. And then from there I throw my second pop zero hook. But you can also do this with your legs a little bit more apart if that feels more comfortable for you. The last combo is going to be a pop zero hook to a pop zero round. So you're going to do your pop zero hook and follow through to a frontside stance. And from there you're set up to do your pop zero round. Now since we're just focusing on the transition mostly for these combos, it doesn't matter if you do a regular or if you follow through with the last kick of the combo. Remember, we're mainly focusing on the transition, which is the in-between of the two moves. If you're having a little bit of trouble with these combos, I recommend you just start off slow, and then as you get a little bit better at them, you can add a little bit more power and speed. Check it out one more time. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And if you'd like to support this channel a little bit more, you can visit patreon.com/Upraiz Tricking. And just by pledging $1 a month, you give me the ability to keep this curriculum going. Here at Upraiz, I'm all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. Next, we'll be moving on to vanish transitions for zero kicks. And it'd be awesome to have you with us. Stay motivated, keep growing, uprisen. It's freaking cold on this mug, damn it.